This recipe is for a simple but hearty spaghetti bolognese, by Jamie Oliver. The ingredients you will need are 2 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary, 6 rashers of smoked bacon, olive oil, 500 grams of minced beef, 200 milliliters of red wine, 280-gram jar of sun-dried tomatoes, 2 400-gram tins of plum tomatoes, 500 grams of dried spaghetti, Parmesan cheese, and extra virgin olive oil. Start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Peel and finely chop the garlic and onions, pick and finely chop the rosemary, then finely slice the bacon. Heat a splash of oil in a casserole pan on a medium heat, add the bacon, rosemary, garlic and onion and cook for 5 minutes, or until softened, stirring occasionally. Next, add the minced beef, breaking it apart with the back of a spoon, then cook for 2 to 3 minutes, or until starting to brown, then pour in the wine. Leave to bubble and cook away. Now, drain and tip the sun-dried tomatoes into a food processor, blitz to a paste, then add to the pan with the tomatoes. Stir well. Break the plum tomatoes apart a little. Cover the casserole pan with a lid and place in the oven for 1 hour, removing the lid and giving it a stir after 30 minutes. If it looks a little dry at this stage, add a splash of water to help it along. About 10 minutes before the time is up, cook the spaghetti in boiling salted water according to the packet instructions. Once the spaghetti is cooked, drain, reserving a mugful of cooking water, then return to the pan with a few spoons of bolognese, a good grating of Parmesan and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Toss to coat the spaghetti, loosening with a splash of cooking water, if needed. Divide the spaghetti between plates or bowls, add a good spoonful of bolognese to each, then serve with a fine grating of Parmesan. Enjoy!